Hi, I'm Luz. This is a very easy English story about my friend's birthday party. It was such a vibe at first, but then something crazy happened and it went so wrong. You will learn how to invite a friend to a party and what to say when the birthday boy suddenly says,
"Can I kiss you?"
You will learn English with this easy story for beginners. I promise.
So yesterday, I went to Tom's birthday party, and it was so much fun.
It was best night ever, honestly. So here's the full story. On Friday afternoon, my friend Tom invited me to his birthday party.
Hi, Luz. Luz, will you come to my bed on Saturday night?
To your bed?
I mean to my birthday party.
Oh, that sounds fun. Yes, I'd love to.
Great! It starts at 6 p.m. at my house.
Nice! What should I bring?
Just yourself. There will be music and food.
Sounds fun. See you on Saturday.
So, on Saturday afternoon, I went to Tom's birthday party with a special gift.
Hey, Luz!
A pink unicorn. Thank you.
Wow, there are so many people here.
Yeah, I invited all my friends.
The party was amazing. There were so many people, air balloons everywhere, and the music was insane. We danced a lot, and it was such a vibe. And then we all sang Happy Birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
I hear your cat is having babies. These pills can help.
But it's not my cat. It's my friend singing happy birthday. Oh, how wonderful.
Then you should give these pills to your friend. They will help her to relax.
Then Tom joined in and we sang together. It was so cute.
Feel the rhythm, sing with me, yeah, let's dance and set us free.
Sure, I made some short videos for my stories. And we took 1,000,000 selfies.
Want to get some Coke?
Yes, Coke is the best.
We were having so much fun. But then something went totally wrong.
Okay, turn around. What is it? I can't wait. Almost there.
And then we played party games. They were super fun.
Where's the cake?
Right here.
Until something went terribly wrong.
You forgot to put food in my bowl, dude. So, not my problem.
So Tom's cat got the whole cake anyway. Then at 10, my parents showed up to get me.
I had such a wonderful time tonight.
Me too. I'll miss you. Can I kiss you?
I like you, but let's take it slow, okay?
That night, I was scrolling through the party photos and suddenly got a text from Tom. What did he say? Sorry, guys, I can't tell you. Some things gotta stay private. Like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support means so much.